Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to design a poster in Canva and share some tips to create a great design. Let's get started. Before the design process, it is essential to consider your brand and audience. Effective posters catch the eye and provide just enough information to guide the audience on how to find out more. It's a good idea to sketch a rough outline of your poster on paper before creating the final design in Canva. Now let's design our poster. We are designing a travel guide poster for beach tours. Search for a poster and choose Create Blank. Pro users can add custom dimensions. Go to Resize and Magic Switch. Then in Resize option, you can add your custom dimensions and a new blank design will open to the size. Posters convey messages in seconds. To be effective, a poster must capture attention and be informative simultaneously. Now we add a beach photo which I already uploaded. Adjust it at the top half of the poster, then go to the elements and add square shape and place it at bottom half. Feel free to choose any shape that fits your imagination. Then search a ripped paper in elements, you will get plenty of graphics. We choose this one and adjust this in the middle. Now search for frame and select circle frame. We need 2 more frames, so duplicate the frame twice by pressing the plus icon and adjust their positions. Then we add some text. To change font, we search brush in search bar, select the one you like and change its color. To match the color theme, use the dropper icon to pick any color from your design. Add more text as needed. To add border to circle frame, go to border options and select style, weight and color. To copy same effect to other frames, select the frame and go to the copy style. Then click on the frame where you want to apply the style. Now we add photos to the frames from upload. Include additional details about the beach vacation such as highlights, contact information and email and all. Creating a visual hierarchy is crucial to draw attention to your focal points. Typically, big headlines or bright colors will grab the viewer's attention. Determine where you want them to look next and what's the last thing you want them to see, whether it's the logo or a call to action. To make it more attractive, we'll add some graphic related to travel. This quick action button also suggests graphics that match your design. Once you are done with design, you can share it on social media, print with Canva or download it. There are various different options to download like JPG, PNG, PDFs, SVG, MP4 video and GIF. Select the size and quality, then click download to save it to your device. That's it for today's tutorial. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. In the next tutorial, we'll learn to create a logo. So keep watching. See you in the next video.